How to see linked accounts on Steam. So if you want to see linked accounts on your Steam, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Steam application. After opening your Steam application, you need to go with the help section and then go with Steam support. Once you're on your Steam support, you need to scroll down, go with Steam client, scroll down again, and then go and select any option that you're comfortable with. And after that, go with contact Steam support and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here, you need to enter, dear Steam support, I require information as to which platforms my current Steam account is linked to. Recently, I have been trying to connect my Steam accounts to this and this, but it says that the account already has been linked. Any help will be highly recommended. Best regards. And after entering all that information, you can go with send. And after that, you will be able to see the linked accounts on your Steam. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.